Planning the use of personal fall arrest.
First steps.
Identify and evaluate the hazards at the worksite.
Plan your work systems.
Take note of your possible paths and movements, and identify all possible factors that can affect your safety.
Assess and address the identified hazards based on what was planned and its implementations.
You must select the proper components, materials, anchorage and anchorage connector that matches the work system workplace hazards and its environment. When planning system, consider the following.
Warnings. All instructions, warnings, or any precautionary measures must be read before the use of the equipment.
Inspection.
Always remember to inspect the equipment for any damages that may cause an incident.
Training. You must be trained before using the equipment. Regulations. All regulations related to the use of the equipment must be read and understood to ensure proper and legal practice. Rescue planning. There must be an established rescue plan to minimize the time between the occurrence of an incident and the medical attention it requires. Product or system preferences. For questions and concerns about the proper use of the equipment, contact the manufacturer.
System components. Ensure the compatibility amongst the components and materials to be used. Equipment removal. Remove all the components of the fall arrest system after an occurrence of a fall. Sharp edges. Take precautionary measures and include in your plan the methods of protecting yourself from unavoidable sharp edges.
Carefully select the location of the anchorage to reduce possible free fall distance. Prevent swing fall hazard. To provide clear space in the potential fall paths to avoid striking an object.
Personal fall arrest system. Properly select and prepare the personal fall arrest system to ensure that the free fall distance will always be less than 6 feet as per OSHA requirements.
Total fall distance. Sum of the free fall distance and declaration distance. Potential fall distance. This is calculated to identify how the system will be prepared and in order to select the right connecting device. User movements.
Materials, equipments, and all necessary movements shall be identified and accounted for when planning. When there are 2 or more workers, ensure that there will be no tangling nor crossing of connecting subsystems. Do not clamp nor make a knot on the connecting devices, this might hinder the equipment from functioning properly.
Pendulum swing fall. A serious injury might occur when the system is not anchored directly above the user. As much as possible, work directly below the anchorage point to minimize swing falls. Clear space in fall path. Ensure that there is enough clearance for potential fall paths. Clearance depends on the type of connecting device and location of anchorage. Consult the manufacturer about the required minimal clearance.